channel and subscribe and press the bell icon, जिससे हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहेगी। अगर आपको टेंस नहीं आते हो तो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे देते हैं, अगर नहीं आता हो तो हमारी वीडियोस में जाके देखें और लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। और बेसिक लेवल से इंग्लिश नहीं आती है तो हमारे चैनल को ज्वाइन करें। इन दिस यू विल लर्न फ्रॉम बेसिक लेवल इंग्लिश बोलना कैसे सीखें। सो आज का टॉपिक है हमारा इफ यू आर अलोन, सपोज यू आर अलोन, हाउ यू प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। देयर आर सम टिप्स, those tips I also use. So first is mirror tip, like you have to stand in front of mirror, you have to talk with yourself, like you have to ask some question and you have to give answer. Think that person is standing in front of you, you have to make eye contact with that, you have to talk. You are that person is you, I know, but you have to talk like that person is someone else. And second point is that you have to describe. If you have to take any picture from anywhere, you have to describe what can you see in that. That I am telling like this, you have to describe like that. I can see printer, I can see computer, there are some people I can see, there is table I can see chair, I can see curtain, I can see camera, I can see mobile. Like this you have to describe. And you can describe what can you see in your home, things you have to describe one by one. By that you can also learn English speaking alone. Those practice I also do. And third point is that role play. You have to play a role play, that you have to take any topic and you have to describe with yourself. You have to share your opinion and after that you have to describe others' opinion. By that you can also learn English speaking. You can be an interviewer and interviewee. You can ask question, how are you? I am fine. I am coming for giving interview. You will ask, what is your name? My name is this. You can ask, tell me about yourself something. So your short, sir, my name is this. I belong from there. So what does your father do? My father does do like this. You can give your self introduction by yourself. This is role play. And next point is that you can on any English show in TV and there comes text under that picture, so you have to read that loud. You have to pause and you have to read again. You have to start. That by that you have to read loud. By that you can improve your English vocabulary. You can improve your pronunciation. In that there are some pronunciation good. You speak wrong. There are correct pronunciation you can use. You will get some dictation word also there. And the fourth point is done. Now reading aloud, that we do in English school. We speak loud and we read loudly. English is English. So by that we see that I am speaking loud or that person is loud. So by that you can improve a lot your English speaking. And next point is that there are many apps on Play Store. There are many apps like that. There are also those type people, they want to learn English. With them you can talk and you can improve your English. You have to talk daily 1 hour. You have to talk daily 1 hour, one by one. You can change person and by that your hesitation will remove or you can speak better English. And last point is that translate. Make any story. You can make in Hindi. You have to translate in English. By that your English will improve a lot. So today we learned that if you are alone, how will practice English speaking. So if you like, please like my like my video and subscribe my channel. You are not subscribing, you are watching video, you have to watch, but you have to subscribe my channel. So next video we will meet.